In the world of options, new traders follow price, whereas the experienced traders follow open interest. Price can definitely lie, but OI represents committed capital, and capital cannot lie. Monthly option chain is just like GPS of the market. It is all about numbers, it's all about analysis. Many traders, or I'll say most of the traders, definitely try to read charts through candlestick patterns or candles. Now, candles are showing us what has already happened. It is past. Now, if I want to know what can happen in the market, I think a much better tool is a very right kind of option chain analysis. It may not give you exactly whether market will move up or move down by 200, 300 points, but definitely it gives you an extra edge on what kind of range of the market you should be playing. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. In this channel, we talk about different tools and techniques to make conservative returns in options trading. Do join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. Today, I am going to talk about option chain analysis, and whatever I am going to talk, I think most of you must be knowing. But the only different thing with what I am going to tell you is that how to use that knowledge. Knowledge which is used properly is a skill. So I'll show you what kind of reading we can do from option chain, what kind of things we can conclude from option chain, and accordingly how can we recalibrate our trades based on the data thrown by option chain. Let me go to now Opstra, and I have opened an option chain for December 2025, first day of the month, and at 9:30 we are seeing the monthly option chain. Again, whatever I am going to tell you is more relevant to monthly option chain. Same things, can they be applied to weekly option chain? I cannot say yes. There is lot of noise in weekly option chain compared to monthly option chain. So monthly option chain can be a very good guide for me to see what kind of trades I should be doing. I will be showing you December monthly option chain. I will be showing you October option chain also, because we can learn a lot of things from the October option chain data. Let's first see what is happening in December. So December, if I open this option chain on 1st December, there are two things I need to note. One is this screen. So Opstra gives you this highlighted strike price. This is 26,000, which shows this is the highest open interest on 26,000 put option. And if I go further down, it is showing me 27,000 as highest open interest for call option. So right in the beginning of the month, it is showing me that 26,000 and 27,000 is the range for the market. So 26,000 is a strong support and 27,000 is a strong resistance for the market. Now we need to see whether this kind of a support and resistance which option chain is showing right on the first day of the series, whether it holds good or whether it can be changed anytime. Do click on the like button for better reach and visibility. I really appreciate each and every precious like. Now let us shift one day at a time. As of now, the spot is 26,284 as seen in the top left corner. I'll move by one day, and it's always better to see this data at 3:30 rather than 9:30. Okay, now I'm 2nd December 3:30. What is the highest open interest on put side and call side? Very quickly, again on put side, it is still showing this 26,000, no change, and it is showing market at around 26,250. And on call side also there is no change. So 2627 is holding, and where is the spot at the closing of 2nd December? Spot is 26057. It is showing 26,000 as a strong support, 27,000 as a strong resistance as on 2nd December. 2nd December must be a weekly expiry also. Okay, next day if we go and again see option chain, so both the data has shifted to 26,000 now. So market is not very clear that okay what will be the range. So both highest open interest on call side and on put side has come down to 26,000. This generally happens when market has either gone below 26,000. Okay, it is 25,985, but still since both the things are 26,000, we still keep that 26,000 is going to be a good support for the market. So next day obviously 6th and 7th, and 8th Monday. Again, where is market? Market is 25,932, which is below 26,000. You can always ask, you are saying support at 26,000 and market has gone below 26,000. But it's a very small move from 26,000, and whenever this happens, you see now again the call has become 26,000 highest open interest. The put has become 26,000. Put is always 26,000, but this put is still having 220 rupees. So 26,000 minus 220, unless and until market goes below 26,780 and the put highest open interest goes below that, we can still say that okay, 26,000 is a decent support. This is what option chain data tells us, just based on observation, right? Next day, I'm assuming that same data still persists. It has again come to 26,043. So it is giving me a sort of a, you see, futuristic view that okay, 26,000 is holding as the highest open interest and it's a strong number, and now the call side has again shifted to 27,000. So again, the original premise of 26,000, 27,000 still holds. Whenever market starts touching 26,000 again, the call is strongly shifting to 27,000, showing that basic proper range of the market is 26 to 27. It can definitely test you at some borders. It can cross it by 100, 200 points, but still it is coming back as long as this data is maintained. Next, get option chain. Market is 26,014. Same thing. Let me move forward. Again, there is a fall, 25,851. So again, the same phenomena we are seeing. Whenever market goes below 26,000, the call side comes at 26,000, but put side is strongly maintaining the same level so far throughout the month. We are already on, I think 50% of month is gone, 16th December. Next, again 25,821. Same put side, call side, both are holding to 26,000. There is the chance that okay, market suddenly falls, so put side open interest should shift to 25,500. That will signal me that okay, market can definitely go below 25,600 and touch 25,500. As of now, it's not showing me that signal. Let's see next. Again, it is remaining at same level, and hopefully call and put are again at the same level only. Yes, no change in that. Let's see next. 19th December, Friday. Market is again 25,961. So it is again coming back to 26,000. And if it is coming back to 26,000, but still below 26,000, call is also sitting at 26,000. So both the things are for the whole month sitting either at 26,000 or call 27, put 26. Next, it has again come up to 26,162. See this. Call straightway jumps from 26,000 to 27,000. So now call seller is slightly worried that okay, market can suddenly go up. Till that time, call seller, put seller both were saying that okay, support is 26,000. Market can go 200 points here and there. So now everybody is very clear that 26,000, 27,000, at least on what date? We are sitting on 22nd December, and the same data it was showing me on 1st December also. Let's see next. Again, market is 26,165. Same thing it is showing, right? No change at all. Next. 26,141, no change. 25th is solid. 26th. Now market is 26,047. Now first time this has come to 26,200. But now you must realize that okay, we are already on 26th of December and the expiry is for 30th December. We have entered the last week. Friday, then Monday, Tuesday is expiry. So again, I will say now this has become a weekly data. This may not be that useful at all. But what I wanted to show you that from 1st December, it was very clear that okay, 26,000, 27,000 is the range. As an option seller, I should be staying below 26,000 in my put selling and above 27,000 in my call selling in managing this trade. So let us go to October for seeing that. Now I am on 1st October and I have monthly option chain on the screen. So let us see. Market is at around 24,655. What does this option chain is showing me? It is showing me very clearly 24,000 as highest open interest on put side, and on call side it is showing me 26,000. So huge wide range it is showing me, 24,000, 26,000. I should be very cautious whether I should do trade or not, because this is a very big range to trade. But still, even if you want to sell 23,900, it is at 51 rupees, which is not bad. But this is the first beginning of the month. Let us say what happens next day. Let us see where is market. Market is 24,895. And highest open interest of put is, if you see, 25,000. And highest open interest of call is 25,500. So this gave me a little bit of signal that, okay, market should either the highest open interest of put side should go down or the market should come up. Like, so again, initial days the trades are getting built up. So we should always remain very wide in our trades. Next day, let us see. This is very strong at 25,000. Market has crossed that 24,600, 700, and it is claiming to be 25,200. And as soon as market has crossed the put side, the call side has gone to 26,000. Can you see how clearly it is showing me that range of this market for this month is now very well defined, 25,000, 26,000. Yes, we should be cautious at borders. If market touch 26,000, 26,100, I should be reading this data again. If market goes below 25,000, I should be reading this data again. 24th October, where is market? Again 25,797. Put side has changed a bit. Now it has become 25,500 and call side has become 26,500. So here we are seeing there is a break in the range from 25, 26, which it maintained for the whole month. It has now shifted to 25,500 to 26,500. But again, let me show you that, okay, this is now becoming more of a weekly. By this time, I would not be looking for much more for the October series, because now it is getting converted purely into a weekly trade. Just for observation, let us see what happened. Again 25,974. The range is now 25,900. This is now becoming weekly. So this is no fun in reading this data. But yes, as long as it is not weekly, a monthly data, it gives me a very good range of the trade. So October market, which started below 25,000 level, very clearly showed us that the range is 25,000 to 26,000, and it maintained that range. And this kind of information is available only in monthly option chain data. This information can bring huge difference in your trading results. 26th April, we are conducting a Iron Butterfly workshop from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. We will be showing you how to take the trade, how to adjust the trade, what is the proper framework, and we will be doing backtesting for 12 months with the same framework, so that we are very familiar how to use the framework. It is important to know the things, but it is more important to know how to use those things, those frameworks, those information, those monthly option chain chart reading. Knowing is important, but using it is more important. We will be teaching all those things in our Iron Butterfly session. If you want to enroll, you can enroll. There are two numbers given on the screen. You can contact any one of them. All silver members will get 10% discount, and all Iron Condor participants will get 25% discount. Leaving you with another interesting video. Do like the video. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed it so far. See you in the next video. Thank you.